if you are into filmmaking or you are a cinematographer, then you must have heard about the term bounce lighting. So basically it is a simple process when a light is projected on a subject by reflecting it from a softer surface rather than being directly projected on it, so that it creates a soft and natural light effect. But where did this whole process start from? So the year is 1956 and Mr. Satyajit Ray is shooting for Aparajito movie. Now in this movie there was a particular scene where they had to show an inner courtyard of a traditional house in Banaras. Well, the shoot was planned outside in a real traditional house in Banaras, but due to monsoon it wasn't possible. So the art director Mr. Bansi Chandragupta rebuilt the entire courtyard inside a studio in Calcutta. But this is here the real problem starts. See, the studios in 1950s had lights directly pointing at the subjects from top down, which created a very hard and directional lighting full of sharp shadows, while natural light is soft and creates softer shadows. And this is where Mr. Ray's cinematographer Mr. Subarta Mitra steps in. Now he wanted to create an illusion that the light is actually coming from the sky, and to do this he created a fake sky inside the studio. Basically he took a very large wooden frame and covered it with a white painted soft cloth and stretched it horizontally above the set. Now this frame served as the fake sky, and he faced the lights above towards the fake sky, while the light bounced from the cloth and created softer shadows. Well, this new method was adopted by Hollywood in the 1960s, and the rest is history. Follow for more filmmaking related concepts.